Gentle, gentle.
My gosh, you're cute.
Theo thinks that this is the funniest thing that's ever happened to him.
My gosh, you're cute. My gosh, you're cute.
The bonks. He's dancing to your Wata Wata Theodore song. Ooh,
We can play with that.
you guys are pretty cute.
We can play with that, Theodore.
Do you want to open it for him? Build,
Okay.
Theo.
Here you go, Theo.
Build. Elodie, can you get Theo the alphabet blocks?
I'm putting out the animals so Theo can play with.
Well, that is so kind and thoughtful of you.
There. I don't think I can read the alphabet.
Say excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me, baby Theo.
Is Theo a baby?
I can't get them.
No. Okay, Mommy can get them. Can you tell the camera what do you have on your face? What are you?
Whiskers.
What are you today?
Kitty cat.
Oh, look, Theo got them. Good job, little man.
Theo's a little mean. All these
Ears.
dinosaurs in a blanket, so it's a secret, and we don't know what the dinosaurs are.
Gears, that's right.
Look! What are they, Theo? What do you think they are? What does that mean?
That means Mommy needs to turn the tilapia over.
Where did they go, Theo?
You guys are being so cute, I just want to take more video of your adorableness. Bye-bye, little kitty.
Play hide and seek.
Bye-bye, little kitty. That blanket matches your undies. Because what color are they both? That's right. Oh, tilapia. Okay. Bye. Theo, say bye.
Theodore, come find me.
I think Theo's going shopping with the shopping bag again.
Have a good day. Here, have candles.
You guys.
I'll put it in here if you want.
Oh, the adorableness abounds.
That's one shot.
Elodie, keep look kisses.